Good morning, everybody. It is the shortest day of the year, December 21st, 2016. Tomorrow, as far as Wichita goes, will be 2 seconds longer of daylight. So the sun starts to turn and head back up, and hope returns to the world. The day is increasing. So the next big snowstorm is supposed to blow through the Rockies and the Plains on December, actually the 25th, and starting on the 24th. So maybe northwest corner of Kansas, Nebraska, places farther north will have a white Christmas out of the storm. On paper, it looks like they might. We won't. We'll be in the 50s on Christmas. So it is that time of year where conditions are right. You can get that white stuff. So here we are. Volumes are well below what they were yesterday overnight on treasuries. The bias is to the upside, but my guess is we're dealing with a trading range with probably pretty good sellers 12 to 16 and pretty good buyers against 123 even right in here. Structurally, we're getting higher lows into the year short covering as the hedgers come out. Trading companies take profits. Imagine that's the biggest dynamic behind this. The news today is limited to existing home sales. 5.535. And the EIA inventory report looking for a draw of minus 2.4. Last night the APIs drew I think 4.15. Last week was the first time I've seen the numbers not agree, where we had a build in one and a draw in the other. So my guess is we'll probably look at a draw and probably a little higher than 2.4. Then the direction of the ES. The Dow set another new record. The E-mini follows the Dow. It's being pulled up by the Dow, and I don't expect that to change. We do have a P. We do have pretty good resistance, 12 to 16, so we're going to try to get 11s to 15s for sell 1, 19 to 23 for sell 2. Might take a 7 to get off a short. On the buy side, we'll lean against the buck. 04, we'd like to get it done at 01 or better. Buy 1. Then 25 to 29, buy 2. Knob spread came in some last night. And we have resistance 24.28, 31.03 sell 1, 11 to 15 sell 2. On the buy side, 8 to 12 number 1. 1 to 5 buy 1, and 21.25 buy 2. Gold was up $1 from yesterday's close when I looked, hour and a half or so ago. Pretty tight trading range. Again, it's what I expect today. So 39s to 41s, sell 1. 44, 46, sell 2. On the buy side, 30, 32. 25, 27. Euro was up a little bit last night. Looks like the selling. Of course, a lot of this is the year end too. People are just getting away from their screens and hedging their positions and outright trades. So things are slowing down. Had a move out of the middle in Globex, so dollar suffers. So maybe we'll go back to our pattern where the dollar's up for a day or two, then sells for one, as opposed to being up darn near every day. Markets don't go straight up. We're higher. We're in the 75 area. We'll make 75, 85, sell one. 105 even, 105.10, sell two. On the buy side, 104.50, buy one. 4 1/4, buy two. $105 is a pretty round market number, so that's where we'd like to get our short on. Okay, today is the EIA inventory. Last night the APIs drew, I think, 4.15 million barrels. Gasoline drew, and distillates drew. The only negative number was a build at Cushing, 700,000 barrels. So right now the market will be looking for draws across the board. And we're looking for a 40, 50 tick trading range. So 53.75, 54, sell one. 54 1/4, 54.50, sell two. Then come 10:30 Eastern, all hell can break loose, and usually does. 53 1/4, 53.50, buy one. Looking for, again, a 40 to 50 tick range, and then 52.75, 53 even, buy two. And last but not least, the E-mini, the contract everybody enters the trading arena on, unless you happen to be in a particular industry. And it is the toughest trade. We're just like we were yesterday. Resistance is at 70. So just like yesterday, 69.71, sell one. 74.76, sell two. On the buy side, 60.62. Might take a 65 to get in. Hope for it a little cheaper. And then 55.57. I think we see new contract highs by Friday's close. And again, I think we'll see new contract highs by New Year's Eve close. Dow's headed for 20,000, might make it today. Okay, it's going to take a bit to get everything up and posted. I'm going to get busy on that. I will be back as soon as possible.